done with my hair and makeup for today. So, unfortunately, I cannot wear my contact lenses kasi ang sakit ng mata ko. As in, paglagay ko, ow! Kasi, I slept at around, I think, 1 or 2 p.m. 2 a.m. Kaya yun, hindi siya pwedeng suotin today. Anyway, this is just my hair. Tinali ko sa likod. Pero hindi ko siguro maglulugay ako. Right now, here's Estancia Mall. And this is my outfit for today. Yung cotton on na jumpsuit. Tawag dito. Yun. Tinali ko lang yung hair ko para neat. Tsaka hindi kasi siya naka-curl. Wala si John para i-curl yung hair ko. Right now, here's a Highland Steakhouse here at Estancia Mall for the Star Mobile launch. Ayan. And we're with vloggers. Now let's check out the new cam from Star Mobile. It's only $99.90. Tama ba? $99.90. Scratch proof. Ano ba? Scratch resistant lang. Okay. Front and back. So hindi mo na kailangan mag screen protector. Okay guys, so after taking the picture, kung saan mo gusto mag-focus, you tap the screen, and then you click OK, and then yun na yun. Tapos pwede ulit iba pa i-focus mo. Ang galing sobra!
Example, ito pinaka-model ko, si Bart Simpson.
Yeah.
Then, okay na siya, pwede mo siya yun.
And masasave na siya. Pero meron pa rin, maiiwan pa rin yung picture na buo sila.
Yeah.
Ay, bongga! Ayan, so the event is about to be over. I'm gonna do a review for you guys. And syempre, I'll focus on the vlogging part of the phone. Kasi diba, as vloggers, kailangan, ako siguro maghanap ako ng parang phone na pwede mo siyang maging vlogging cam for all the startup vloggers out there, vloggers out there na gusto ng mga affordable na phone na pwede pang vlog. On to our next event, we are here at Chef Jessie here sa Rockwell. And kaka-register lang namin ni Joyce and we were given like passports. So different stations, different stuff to do. So meron tayong parang gel, meron tayong gel station where you can get your nails done using the latest Solique polishes. Ayan, ito yung station, gel station. And then over here we have rings. Pwede na mag-choose kung anong ring gusto mong iuwi. And then meron tayong mga scarf. Bongga, diba? A benefit corner. Love it. And then I think you can get your brows done yata later. And then, ito, brow bar, yeah. Diba? Kaso meron na akong brows. So I picked out this Eternity scarf. Ang ganda niya. Actually, meron silang yung lightweight. Tapos meron silang parang stretchy. So, susuotin ko na to kasi bongga siya sa outfit day ko. And then, ito yung ring na pinili ko. I'll post their information later on. I like it. It's so pretty.
Nail polish remover. Kasi itong siya, ma'am. Kaya mapapansin mo, hindi siya gaya ng mga remover na may acetone.
So, we're done with all the activities outside. Meron na kaming gel nails. Ang ganda. At natuyo siya agad. Natatakot kami ni Joyce kanina gumalaw kasi ang dami namin dala. And hindi namin alam kung natuyo na ba agad talaga yung bongga talaga yung top coat, kung ganun, di ba? Tsaka yung nail polish itself kasi ang bilis niyang matuyo. Good thing we have the paper bag from Star Mobile. Ang dami naming iuwi. Thank you so much to Nippon for the loot bag or the loot box. Ayan. Tapos meron pang here. Ang cute ng lagayan, Joyce, no? Solique nail polishes. Oh, thank you so much, Kim. Ayan. Ay, ganda. Remover.
Sabi ko pa naman.
Girl, yung maganda this one. Asan na ba yun? Top coat. Oh, walang top coat.
Yung parang silver bottle.
Oh, it's... Oh, here! Yes, it's here. Yay! Coffee time! We're here sa... sasabihin ko spiritual coffee. Habitual coffee. With Tasha. Hi, Tash. Kim Mendoza in action. And this is how she takes her perfectionist style.
Perfect. Use the grid.
Yeah. Yeah. Check out Kim's Instagram. Kim L. Mendoza. Ayan. Yung mga picture niya, girl, grabe. Very OC, very perfect. Butcher something.
Smith, Butcher and Grill.
Butcher and Grill. With a sample ring.
I love love it.
Finally done with dinner, so I'm really full. Ayaw na kumain actually. Tomorrow, work out tayo guys. I cannot work out tonight kasi nga, really tired. I need to sleep na. Because tomorrow I have an early event, so... so much fun. Check out Sample Room. It's a try before you buy site. I'll have the link in the information box. About 2 days ago, I was washing the dishes and then I suddenly saw like a flash of light. So kala ko, may nag-spark na outlet or whatever. So, ano yun? Tapos wala na, hiniyaan ko na. And then this morning, I was also washing the dishes then. Same moment. Tapos, nag-flash. And then nag-flash ulit. So, twice nag-flash. And then sabi ko, shucks, ano yun? And then I realized it's coming from the corner of my eye. So, syempre ako Google ako agad, diba? Tapos sinerge ko, shucks, it could be ocular migraine. Or it could be my retina detaching from something sa loob. Parang retinal detachment or something. Which is nakakaloka ha. I really hope it's nothing serious. Siguro kasi nga, sobrang stress ng eyes ko. Lagi nag-edit, laging on my phone. Yun lang. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's another event day. Pero buti isa lang. And then I need to finish a couple of videos for tomorrow. That's it. That's it. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Si Mark pala umuwi na ng Cavite. Bye-bye!